Hi, I finally took a little bit of time to try to explain to you why the asteroid is not an asteroid. This is the images that I can upload now. I have other images, but I cannot put them yet up. But this will be enough to explain my point of view and to prove what I'm stating. Now, I'm a little bit tired, so excuse me. I do not know what it is to sleep 3 hours in more than 1.5 months. My hardware is melting. My software cannot handle anymore so much information and what I have been doing because a lot has been happening. And I have to say I'm a little bit exhausted, but I said I would put this up, so I'm going to do it. Now, the images you are about to see are just a little piece of what I have, but this will be enough to make my case. What you'll see across the moon is not a light effect. It is an object. You will see bursts of light from the moon. You will see flashes. You'll see differences in light. But that object will never change shape, will never lose its consistency. It is a solid object. That is not an asteroid, my friends. That is what came and then left. It has been between the Earth and the Moon many times, further to the right, further to the left, but always close to the Moon. In this case, the object was right across the Moon because it was between the Earth and the Moon in that position. And you'll see something else passing. In these images that I have, a lot is happening. I'm just addressing 2 or 3 cases, and I'm trying to make it evident for you what you're looking at. Now, you'll see the moon making bursts of light. What causes that? You'll see something coming from the left to the right, and then I will slow the video down. Why? Because it is in time lapse and it's too fast. I cannot put it so slow that it will take a lot of time, and I do not have time enough in YouTube. I only have 15 minutes, so I have to put things as precise as I can. So I will slow it down. You'll see it crossing in front of the moon. When it crosses, when it's a line between our point of view and the moon, the magnetic field of the ship, because it has its own gravitational field, its own magnetic field, it's between our point of view and the moon, and the light from the moon interacts with the magnetic field of the ship, and you see a flash of light. It's not a flash of light of the moon. It's a consequence of the interaction between the light and the magnetic field of the ship that is crossing the moon. You also see that the moon is really bright and round. That phase of the moon does not look like that. It's looking like that because it has something across it between our point of view on Earth and the moon. That's the magnetic field of the big ship that sits parked between our point of view and the moon. That magnetic field is causing that ball of light that you see as the moon. Now, some YouTubers have been uploading um, photographs, and they are stating, maybe some even video files, that they see balls crossing the moon and balls all over the place. In this video, you will see, I'm not going to address that. You will see in the zoom parts of the video that you have these balls with different colors that have shape to it. They are 3D. They are not like the stars in the background. The stars in the background are points of light in the background. These things that you're going to see close to the moon are balls. They are not planets. They are not stars. They are not asteroids. They are something else. Those balls that you see really mass, you see that they have mass. They it's not a point of light. It has structure to it. Those balls that you see, many of them around the moon, are not stars, are not planets, are not asteroids, comets. They are what you think I'm saying they are. That's what they are. In the end part of this video, you'll see that I'm going to make adjustments to the light. I'm going to do adjustments to the contrast to bring the structure of the crossing ship to view. You can see it without making these changes, but it's better for you to see the tip of the ship and the structure of the ship. This is not an asteroid, my friends, and this one that I'm going to show you in detail is the smaller one. The bigger one is the one close to the moon, and further away in space we have even bigger. So um, when they tell you that Oumuamua is an asteroid that came slingshot by the sun and went away, they are lying. It isn't an asteroid, and it didn't come alone. And I'm going to be uploading a lot of material as soon as I can, because it's just me. I did try to send information to other people. I had no response, so I'm going to try to upload as soon as I can a lot of information. I'm not gonna have time to treat the information. I'm just going to take it and put it here. Why? Because time is running short and people have a lot of misconceptions about what's going on. I have to thank also to those who subscribe, and if they can help to tell other people that the information is being uploaded, because no one sees this. So I tried not to put the information out because I have not many views, no views. So what happens is that the sources are closed and other people cannot get information from them. That's why I tried to reach to those who have a lot of views, because a lot of people would be able to collect information from those sources. But because I've been waiting for more than 1.5 months and nothing happens, well, I have to put it myself, and sorry if I cannot be treated the information with more care before I upload it, but if I do that, I cannot collect the information as it's happening. So thank you for those who are listening, and for the 2 subscribers I have new. And if you can help, well, help me, and thank you.